12,177. Now I'm going to talk about my lecture, which I am preparing and which is going to take place on March 16 in 10 days. Today is March 6th. So the question today I'm going to answer is the question I'm going to answer today is how to improve my lecture, how to make it better. So I already learned the script. I wrote the script, I memorized it. It's not so long. Now it's only 4 pages, or a little bit more, because there's an English section. It's like 4 pages written in Russian and 1 page written in English and memorized. So 5 pages. And the other part of the lecture is going to be spontaneous. I'm going to talk in English, in Russian, whatever it may be, doesn't matter. I'm going to talk about memory, imagination, and attention. And the main point which I'm going to represent in that lecture is that memory refers to the past, and when you focus on improving your memory, you have to do something with your past. You have to shape your past in English. You have to take your past to find some important events which happened to you, which you think are important, and then to write about these events and to think about them in English and connect them between each other, so you can remember something important in your past. Let's say first day you went to school, or whatever it may be, first day you start walking, or first day you learn to talk, and you say, oh, it was an amazing event, let's think about it, how it was, etc. Then first day you met a girl, let's say, or you loved someone, you had sex, or whatever it may be for you important. You just think about it, think about this day, think about this period of your life, and you think about it in English. And perhaps you write something. You don't just think about it. You take a paper, a book, write something like my personal history, and then you start to adding more and more information into this book. You start from one way. Doesn't mean that it has to be made with some particular order. You can choose any event you prefer, and you can start, for example, from something that happened to you a month ago, or a year ago, or 5 years ago. But then you can proceed further and make many different events and see how they connected with each other. So it's just one exercise which can help you to improve your memory, because you shouldn't do anything other but using your memory and recollect everything what happened to you and what was important. So then attention, again, something that refers to now. You just learn what's going on right now with you. You learn your stream of consciousness. You learn to talk spontaneously about everything. It's like when you are standing in front of the audience or with someone else, you have to ask, if you are asked about something, your goal usually is to answer, to say something. So, but when you are not surrounded by people, you can just use this and you can ask yourself all the time. For example, you can imagine, what if I meet a friend? What could I say? What could I ask? And you just start asking yourself as if you were your friend. It's like as if you met yourself, and how are you doing, man? And what could you answer? Okay, I'm fine. You can say, okay, how to proceed it further. You can't just stop on it. Your point is to develop it further. And okay, what are you doing? I'm fine. No, what have you done recently, or whatever you can ask. How's your job? How's your wife? How's your family? How's your, self-development journey? What did you learn last month, last year, etc.? Which kind of books have you read, etc., etc., etc. So you're just asking questions, and then you're trying to answer. And while answering, of course, you you imagine someone else who asks questions, and then you can create some sort of dialogue in your imagination. You can imagine that this person curious about your, let's say you answer, I've read some psychology of interpersonal behavior. I've read this book last week, so and